Starting today, parts of the Sacramento River Trail are undergoing repairs. The crews will be fixing 4 bridges damaged during the car fire. The closures impact the Middle Creek and Buenaventura Trail at the Sacramento River Trail and the west side of Ribbon Bridge. The estimated cost of repairs is about $407,000. The money is coming from FEMA.
There are 2 bridges that are completely wiped out, and then there are 2 more bridges that have under limit damage. Those bridges also have to be completely deconstructed and completely rebuilt.
The city of Redding says it plans to reopen that area on May 1st or perhaps earlier.